There's a certain kind of freedom that only comes from the open road. Welcome to Fantasy RV Tours, where every month brings a new adventure. With spring in full swing, April is one of the best times to travel. Comfortable weather, lively festivals, and a full calendar of events make it the perfect month to get out, connect, and explore. This month, our focus turns to rallies. Shorter, experience-packed adventures designed to bring people together, explore incredible destinations, and make every day feel like an event. Celebrate iconic destinations with rallies like the San Antonio Fiesta Rally, the Norfolk NATO Festival and Tattoo, and the Washington, D.C. Rally, where guided experiences bring each city's culture, history, and energy to life. Looking to unwind? Escape to Margaritaville delivers a laid-back, tropical atmosphere where fun, relaxation, and great company come together effortlessly. For those looking to travel a little longer, adding on the America's Gulf Coast, Bayous to Beaches caravan offers a rich, immersive journey from Texas to the Florida Keys. Experience the flavors of New Orleans, the beauty of the Gulf shoreline, and the charm of historic coastal towns, all while enjoying a carefully planned route filled with unforgettable stops along the way. For something more adventurous, the Moab Off-Roading Rally for Jeep Wrangler owners offers thrilling off-road experiences set against Utah's stunning red rock landscapes. Homecoming rallies are all about connection. Whether it's your first trip or your fifth, they're the perfect way to meet new friends or reconnect with familiar faces. Whether you're joining a rally for a quick getaway or setting out on a longer coastal journey, April is the perfect time to experience RV travel the fantasy way. Visit fantasyrvtours.com to learn more and subscribe for more guided RV adventures.